Direct care is the practice of old-fashioned medicine, where the doctor and the patient have a direct relationship. In this way, patients contract directly with their doctor. Patients have the advantage of not needing a referral to see the specialist that they need. It is simple. Patients call and make an appointment with the specialist that they need when they need it the most, without spending endless time waiting and without any interference between the patients and the physician. Patients are examined, a diagnostic test is ordered or performed, and then they receive treatment. The payment for the service is made directly to the physician's office. It is that easy. Direct specialty care offers you time, value, expertise, access to your doctor, personalized care, and excellent medical care at affordable and transparent pricing. You, the patient, have the power to decide what is best for you and where your money goes. The future of healthcare is in your hands.